In this video, I'll show you a new strategy for options trading. And if you understand this strategy, this concept properly, then you can make lots of profit while trading binary options. And it's extremely important for you to watch this video till the end so that you can understand everything properly. So let's get into our topic. So as you can see in my screen, these are the copy trading result of my VIP copy traders, those who copies me automatically in their pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option. And I am going to explain you about that also later. But firstly, let's understand this strategy. So here you can see Euro USD, $200 per trade, $200 per trade, right? This is of one day and this is for another day. $200 per trade, $200 per trade, and GBP AUD, GBP AUD. These are the same currency pair. Here you can see first two trades. So first you make two trades in one time, okay, by clicking this higher or lower two times. I'll explain you exactly how you need to make the trade, but firstly understand this concept. First you make two trades, and let's say both of these trades are in profit. Now you make third trade in any other currency pair. These trades are made in 1 minute time frame, in 1 minute trading time frame. And after your two trades are either profit or loss, now you start to make 5-second trade by using the strategy that I'm going to tell you later. And if that is profit, then make another trade again in 5 seconds in another currency pair. If that is also profitable, then make another trade. And if that is also profitable, then keep on continuing that, okay, so that your profit keeps on increasing. But if you make loss anywhere at fourth trade, third trade, fifth trade, sixth trade, stop whenever you make one loss. In that way, what happens is you will limit your loss for three trades. You can lose only up to three trades, and you can make profit unlimitedly if your trades keep on going right with the strategy that I am going to show you after some time. Here you can see the same thing have happened. I made two trades at once, both were profitable, and in another trade I made in 5-second time frame, that was also profitable. Another in 5 seconds again, that was also profitable. And in fifth trade I made a loss. I stopped trading for that, and all of these trades are copied by my VIP copy trader. Similarly, in next day I made two trade in 1 minute time frame, both were profitable. I made third trade in 5-second time frame, that was also profit. Fourth trade I made, that was also profit. So I have gone for fifth trade, and in this trade there was loss, so I stopped trading for that day. Now this is a new strategy for trading that I have built recently. And if you use this kind of concept while making trades, then as I have told you previously, you will limit your loss up to three trades. Let's say both of your first trade gone wrong, okay, you made loss, and you made loss in third trade also, then stop trading for that day. You have suffered three losses, okay. Or let's say you made loss in this two trade and you made profit in this third trade, then again keep on continuing until you make one loss and stop trading. So any how you want to go, you will only be making three loss in one day, okay, and then your profit chance of making more profit will increase. In that way you need to trade. It is a kind of money management that recently came into my mind while I was providing this copy trading service by using this social trading feature. Now I also like to show you how exactly you can copy my trades, and then I'll show you the strategy. So keep on watching this video and do like this video, and if you have any question then do ask me in the comment section below. And I'll also make more videos if you recommend me the type of video that you want to see. My only intention is to help you as much as I can so that you can make profitable trades while trading binary options. So now the way you can copy my trade is, there is a link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and you can join my free Telegram channel. There you can see few instructions which you can read and follow it, and then you can start to copy my trades. You can get my UID that is used to copy my trades. So the first thing, when you get that UID, after following the instructions in my free Telegram channel, then you log into your pocket option account and then click on this social trading feature and then click on here and click on search and enter the UID that you have got from my Telegram channel. Now this is not my UID, I am just showing you it as an example. You can just click on the name that appears at here when you put this UID. Just click on it and you will see this kind of interface. Now simply click on this copy and you will see these 4 boxes. Now ignore all of these 3 boxes. I'll tell you exactly why you need to ignore these 3 boxes and only increase or decrease this copy in proportion. As I have shown you previously, I only make $200 per trade in each trade. That means if you copy 100%, then that means you will be copying my $200 per trade in your account. And if you copy 1%, then you will be copying $2 per trade. Similarly, if you copy 5%, then that means 5 into 2, $10 per trade you will be copying. Similarly, if you put here 10%, you will be copying my $20 per trade. So in a simple way, 1% is equals to $2 that you will be copying. So you can increase and decrease this percentage. Okay. So stop balance means, now the next thing is stop balance. Now stop balance is means, let's say I have like $19,000 in $19,958 in my account and I only want to risk like $900 here in this copy trading service. Then what I can do is I can withdraw my $19,000 from my account. In that way, I will only have $958 in my account and I will only be risking that much amount in my copy trading service. So in that way, you don't need to use this stop balance. Now why I'm telling you this is because those VIP copy traders who are already copying me, if they increase or decrease anything at here, then all of my trade doesn't get copied to their account. I don't know if that is a glitch of this pocket option platform, but that is happening with lots of traders. That's why I don't suggest anyone to make any changes in these 3 boxes. If any of these 3 boxes are like increased or decreased, then this problem starts to happen again and again with everyone. So that's why don't touch anything at here. Okay, only increase or decrease this copy trading proportion and then click on confirm and you will start to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account. Now in this screen I will put the link of 2 videos. One will be how I was able to increase my $10 into $25.41 by using the 5-second pocket option strategy. Watch that video and use the same strategy that I have used while making trades in this video. Similarly, another video that I am going to put is this $1,000 per trade 5-second strategy video. Okay, now 5-second time frame I have used in both of these video, but again, while making the 2 trades, while you are trading in like these first 2 trades, you use 1 minute time frame, but with the same strategy that I have used in this 5-second strategy. Both of this video you can see at here and here. You just use this strategy, learn this strategy and start to use it and trade with the concept that I have explained you just before. If you have any confusion, you can rewatch this video or ask me anything in the comment section below. Now I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.